In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the theme of your application, whether you prefer a light or a dark mode. We'll walk through this simple process together, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to customize the appearance to suit your preferences. Let's get started. First, take a look at your application's interface and move your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You should see your profile picture there. Go ahead and click on it. This will reveal a drop-down menu that gives you access to a variety of options tailored just for you. Once you've got that drop-down menu open, the next step is to find the Settings option. Clicking on Settings will take you into the hub of your application's customization features. Think of this area as your personal control center, where you can tweak and adjust various aspects of your user experience to make it truly your own. Now that you're in the Settings menu, the next thing you'll want to do is locate the General tab. This section typically covers a range of essential features, but today, our focus will be on appearance. A quick click on General will bring you closer to altering the visual theme of your application. After you're in the General section, what you need to do next is to find the Theme option. The Theme setting is where the magic happens. Here, you're given choices that can significantly impact how your application looks and feels. The theme can change the entire mood of your interface, which is why it's such a handy feature to know about and take advantage of. Once you've clicked on Theme, you'll be presented with a simple but crucial choice: light or dark. If you're someone who enjoys a brighter interface that mimics natural daylight, the light theme might be just what you're looking for. On the other hand, if you prefer a more sleek and subdued appearance, or you work mostly in low-light environments, dark mode can be easier on the eyes. Selecting the option that best suits your needs will update the application's theme instantly. And that's it. With these few straightforward clicks, you've personalized the theme of your application to better fit your liking. It's a small change, but one that can enhance your daily interaction with the interface, making your experience more pleasant and visually comfortable. Remember, you can switch back and forth as often as you like. Feel free to return to your settings anytime you find your preferences evolving. This level of personalization makes your interface feel truly yours and adaptable to your unique style and needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in creating a more enjoyable interaction with your application.